guys, this is your Rustic Man here and welcome back. And in this video we are gonna be unboxing keyboard by Logitech. Sorry about that. This is the K480 and this is basically a multi-device. It is a wireless keyboard. So yeah, let's dive right into the video. I will also be showing you all of the features of this hopefully, and switch. Let's over here it's written switch typing between your computer, phone and tablet. I will be showing that as well. Okay, so that's the front of the packaging. Over here just shows you the beautiful beautiful keyboard is what I meant. Okay, it says the same thing over there. Over here you guys can read what it says, and over here it says all of its features. 24-month battery life. Now that's amazing. Sorry, I'm just screaming, but that's seriously super amazing. I can't believe it has a 24-month battery life. That is the most biggest battery life I've ever seen, because it uses AA batteries. I mean AAA batteries. That's why it's probably 24 months battery life. That's what I meant. Over here are some of the pictures of the keyboards. So yeah, that's basically it for the packaging. I believe we have just one shot of the wireless keyboard. So let's unbox it now. Finally we are going to get to the unboxing part. Let's open this up and let's take the keyboard out. Nice keyboard, by the way. We'll take a closer look at the beautiful keyboard. Let me just take all of the stuff away, and we have our manual over here in English, Indonesian, I believe Chinese or Japanese. Okay, it's really hard for me to tell between Chinese and Japanese. Over here we have our AAA 2 cells of Duracell. Okay, which we will put inside of the keyboard. Okay guys, and I also have brought my wait a second. I also have my what you call it, laptop, to show you how to connect it to it as well. So yeah, first of all, let me just take that out. First of all, let's put the cells inside, then I will show you this beast. So on the bottom you guys can see, sorry keyboard, I'm scratching you. Over here we have these things, the rubber padding things, which will hold this thing up. We have many of them. So over here is the back piece of the keyboard. Over here it says K480, and here's the on-off switch, and here's, I believe, the indicator, and there's basically like a battery meter or something which shows that how much battery this thing basically shows in it. So yeah, let's open this up. Basically just take that out. The good thing is there's rubber over here, or whatever, foam. Okay, and now let's put the cells. Since there's actually a spring mechanism, I believe, in there. Okay, that's that. Hopefully this will be easy to close. Let me just, and it's kind of getting hard, and never mind, it's not hard. Okay, so we can turn it on from here. Wait a second, did I put it in the right way? Oh, it was already on, never mind. Okay, if you guys can see this properly, there is actually a green thing over here which shows it's on. If I do it like this, there is a red one over here. If you guys can probably see it. Now it's off. Now it's on. It's a green light, which is second, guys. Let me just show you that. You guys can see that it's a green light. I will just do that again so you guys can see it properly. And there's a green light there, basically. So I basically turned off my lamp to show you guys. Now look at all of this clean keyboard. This looks so good. Okay, over here it says Logitech. Here is the dial, 1, 2 and 3, the number 1 device, second device and the third device. So basically that's really cool. Now over here it shows you all of the instructions. Basically all of the instructions, you can basically peel this off if you wanted to. Okay, so let me just show you guys the lights. So here is on number 1, here is on number 2, and why is number 3 not working? Here is number 2 actually, and here is number 3. So yeah, okay, that's that. And basically over here are the two buttons for PC and iOS. Okay, and here it says connect with Bluetooth. Because of these buttons, I believe you have to just simply hold the button and it will basically turn on the pairing mode of this device, and you have to scan it with your phone, which I'll probably show you. So that's that. We have all of our keys from A to Z and all of our numbers and all of that stuff. You can also connect this to your TV, which I will probably do that. You also have your escape button, because I have like a smart TV, so it has Netflix, so I can basically type all of the things with this. You can also do the Chrome search. I don't know what it's called, but it's Google search or Siri search, I believe. You can also do that. You can also take screenshots, mute the TV, play the next video. You guys can basically see all of the features. You can also basically take like a picture or something. You can delete, and basically the spacebar is really huge. Obviously it's huge. It's a spacebar. What can I expect? Okay, so now I will show you guys. Wait a second. I will just take my phone. An iPhone 8 Plus, I believe. Now if you guys are watching like a video, you can just simply put this there, and now you can basically easily watch it. It's pretty cool. If you are like if you have a child, you can basically tell him to use this instead, because this is really cool. You can basically watch a video or type something from the keyboard or from the phone. That's pretty cool. You also have these buttons. Okay, I don't know why I turned off the light for some reason. Okay, you can also, by the way, take this off if you want to. It kind of messes with the keyboard, but yeah, that's that. So let me just do that, and now let's look at the pairing. Let's look at the pairing. So I'll just put the keyboard aside, and whoop, here is my laptop. Okay, here is my laptop with Velociraptor Blue. This is a touch screen, so I can just search from my touch screen. So all you gotta do is now, hey guys, okay, all you gotta do now is basically, I just turn off the light because it's giving me a bad reflection. So all you gotta do is basically go here, go to settings, and then when you go to settings, and then go to devices, and then all you gotta do is, here are all the devices basically, but all you gotta do is, let me just turn on the light, and basically, wait a second, I'll just come to the keyboard like this, and all you gotta do is, this is also pretty cool if you don't have like a keyboard for your what did I do again, sorry guys. If you like don't have a keyboard for your PC, you can always use this from Bluetooth. Okay, so let's bring this here. So I'm just gonna take it to 2 probably. So now you can either connect it to PC or iOS. So I'll just hold PC. Now you guys can see the light. It has started flickering really rapidly. That's really rapid. So that's that. Now let's put the keyboard aside. And where is this? Wait a second, I'll just click this. Add devices. Now over here you have to, this actually depends on your PC or your Windows. So I have a Windows 10. Add a device. Make sure your device is turned on in pairing mode. And over here we have our keyboard. Okay, so connect. So all you gotta do is now enter the code. So the code is the number 645 080. So yeah, enter it, enter the code, and now I have entered the code in there and saying setting up a device, and your device is ready to go. So I have done it. Now I have full access of this. See, I'm using my keyboard to do this. I will show you guys. I'm just doing this with my keyboard. Completely doing it with my keyboard. okay, I don't know how you're supposed to. Basically, you can also do some typing. Let me just close the settings, and also, oh right, so now over here I'm gonna use this keyboard instead, and I'm just gonna search a T-Rex there because that's my favorite dinosaur. For some reason not typing it. Oh right, pause. Wait a second. Okay, and now I'm gonna search T-Rex. Now I'm using my keyboard. I'm not supposed to write that, and you can press back. T-R-E-X. Now I can search that, and easily got all of the images of the T-Rex. I didn't mean to do that. Cancel that. Okay, I didn't mean to open that video. Accidentally did that. So yeah, basically that is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and smash that subscribe button or Blue is gonna come and eat you up. Goodbye.